farm with my family near Chester, South Dakota, and we're busy with corn harvest this time of year. Yields have been excellent. Corn's dried down, which is a pleasant surprise after experiencing last year. So we're clipping away and trying to get as much done as we can, having a great harvest. I've been farming in the Chester area for about 10 years now, since I got out of college. Worked with my dad and my uncle and the rest of the family, and we grew about 75% of our acres to corn and kind of 25 to soybeans. I wanted to farm since I was little, and there's no way to describe how much joy you get growing up on the farm and getting to work with family day in and day out. It's a wonderful profession. We're out here combining a ridge-till corn-on cornfield. This will be the third year in a row that we've had corn on this particular field. Well, most of our corn that we produce goes up to our local ethanol plant, and we've got a couple other markets that we've used through the years too. We've got a 110-car loading facility that will take it out to all parts across the country. That's 10 miles away, and we also live close to a hunter colony that has turkeys and hogs that they feed each year. Some of our corn has gone there in the past and continues to be a market demand for us. We've worked pretty hard over the past few years trying to install drain tile on our farm where we have some problem spots. One of the things that we really like about drain tile is it regulates the flow of water off of our soil and minimizes soil erosion. We kind of always think of soil like a sponge, where if the soil gets saturated and we get big rainfall events, it'll just wash off because it doesn't have any place to soak into the soil. Whereas if we have tiles installed and have proper drainage, then there's going to be some room in that soil for it to absorb water, and so it'll minimize the runoff potential in the ground, keeping the soil in place and minimizing problems downstream. You know, with farming, we have our ups and downs. We have good days and